Hello, the tutorial shows you how to boost internet speed connection right now with this epic trick. To start, let's address the slow browser issue. If videos are playing slowly and appear stacked on your browser, you can take these 2 easy steps. First, clear your browser history and cache. Go to your browser settings, select Privacy and Security, and delete browser data. Choose All Time from the time range and click on Delete Data. Then go ahead and disable hardware acceleration. Go to System. Find the Use Graphics Acceleration when available setting, and turn the toggle off. Relaunch the web browser, and it's done. Now let's reset specific network settings. Run Windows command prompt as administrator. Reset Winsock. The DNS Winsock command is a powerful tool that helps you manage and reset the Winsock catalog. This catalog is basically a database that keeps track of settings for network protocols, like TCP/IP and DNS resolution. It's a pretty useful trick when you're having trouble connecting to the internet. Flush the DNS cache. The following command will clear any cached DNS entries. This ensures that outdated or corrupted DNS information does not persist. Re-register DNS information. Finally, force your computer to register its DNS details with any configured DNS servers. All done. Exit your command prompt and restart computer. I'm so giddy I might float away. Thanks for tuning in. If you felt the spark, smash that subscribe button, ring that sweet notification bell, and be first to catch all my juicy tips and tricks.